Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're having a great day. So I decided that I wanted to do a little chit chat, get ready with me. I'm not really getting ready for anything in particular, but yeah, I'm just gonna do my hair and makeup, chat with you guys a little bit. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. So I think I'm going to straighten my hair today because I haven't done that in a while, and I kind of honestly just want to see how long it is when it's straight. Just get this heating up. I'm going to have to turn off my cute little lights in the background while this heats up. For heat protectant, I'm just going to use this little oil that I got as a sample in my Birchbox, and it makes my hair like really shiny and smooth, and I really like it. Just put this like pretty much everywhere. It smells like vanilla too, which is really nice. I'm going to do my usual little half up, half down look today. So I have some exciting things coming up in about 3 weeks. 3 weeks from this Saturday, I am going on my church mission trip, and I am literally so excited. Like, it kind of just hit me yesterday that it was so soon, and it's all I can think about now, because last year I went on the trip for the first time. We don't go to the same place every year, but we use the same program every year. It's called ASP, which stands for Appalachian Service Project. And last year we went to West Virginia. This year we're going to Kentucky. I'm not going to say exactly where, just for privacy reasons. Oh shoot, my hair's still kind of wet. I'm going to have to wait a little bit to straighten it. My brother and my dad had gone on it before, and so I kind of knew what to expect a little bit, but obviously it's different every year, and everyone has like their own kind of experience, I guess. But it was literally the highlight of my life. That sounds dramatic, but I loved it so much. I got so close to a bunch of people from my church. So basically what we do on the trip is we help build and repair homes, and we stay at a center for the week, usually a school, and just like sleep on the classroom floors and everything, and we eat there. And then we go to like our individual work sites. It was an amazing experience, and I had so much fun, and literally the whole year I've been looking forward to going again because I just loved it. I'm just going to go ahead and start my makeup while I let my hair finish drying. Let me know if you want me to do like a packing kind of video for that, just because I don't know why I'm obsessed with packing. Ow. Just stabbed myself in the eye. Wow, okay. Yeah, I'm obsessed with packing, and I think those videos are really fun to watch. So let me know if that's something you want to see. Also, I can do a video like on my experience going there. So every year we go somewhere in the Appalachian region, so like Kentucky, West Virginia. I think we went to Tennessee one year. So it's similar each year, like we're doing similar types of things, but different in the sense that each year you're working. There's like a huge group that goes from my church, like high school kids, college kids, and adults. I think our group was like 80 people last year. And so we're divided into different work crews of 2 adults and usually 5 kids. And each year you're working with new people. You have a new homeowner. The type of work you're doing on the house might be different. And like the center that you're staying at is obviously different. Last year I had a super good first year. The center we were staying at, it had air conditioning. It was super nice, like a brand new school. There were indoor showers. The food was pretty good. I mean, like good. Yeah, I got super lucky with that. I had an amazing crew. And obviously, I think no matter what, it'll still be fun. I'll still have a great time. But I'm excited to see like what's different and everything. Okay, so I just put concealer under my eyes and set that with some powder. And yesterday I went to Walgreens and I got these Wet n Wild little like cream sticks. This one's a blush and then this one's a contour stick. They were 2 for $6, and I'd been wanting some like cream cheek products because I think they just look really healthy and natural on your skin and really glowy, which is perfect for summer. So I used them yesterday and really liked them. So we're going to use them again today. The blush is in the shade Hustle and Glow. It's like a nice peachy kind of color with a sheen to it. Just put a little bit of that on my cheeks. And then, don't worry, we're going to blend it in. I think I'm just going to use my beauty blender, so I got to go get this wet. Another exciting thing that's coming up, actually just like a week after my mission trip, is Lollapalooza. And if you don't know what that is, it's a music festival in Chicago. And I've never gone before, but I'm going this year with some of my friends, and I'm super excited. My mom is coming with us too because she didn't want us to go alone, which I understand. There's some crazy people there. I'm definitely planning on doing like a get ready with me and like maybe a little vlog there, so you'll see that after it happens. I don't know why I used to blush first. That was kind of stupid. So yeah, I still need to like figure out my makeup and my outfit for that and everything. I spent way too much money on clothes recently, so I'm definitely, aside from getting an outfit for that, I'm definitely not going to be doing any shopping this summer. Now I'm just going to highlight a little bit with my Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. I'm sorry to be talking about this. I'm already kind of getting excited for next school year. Not really, like, I obviously don't want summer to end, and I'm having a great summer so far. But I will say, like, last year was my freshman year. Honestly, like, for the first time in a while, I liked going to school every day. In middle school, I just did not have the best time at school. Like, I always dreaded going to school. But this year, I feel like I made so many new friends. I really liked my classes. I felt like what I was doing was more like useful, I guess. And I never really dreaded going to school. I always I don't look forward to it, but I never dreaded it either. So I'm kind of getting excited for next school year. I do feel like one thing that I could improve upon is that this past year I just wasn't very organized, and I probably didn't apply myself as much as I could have, especially compared to like what I did in junior high. Like, I was a super organized person, and this year wasn't the best as far as that goes. I'm excited to like get back on track sophomore year and be more organized, do my homework on time, try my best. Yeah. I'm getting so hungry. I can't decide if I want to do any eyeshadow or anything. I might just go mascara. I tend to wear lighter, more natural makeup in the summer. My gosh, I have talked so much in this video. By the way, this mascara is amazing. It's the Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof. Would highly recommend. I could also do a whole video about this. I'm thinking about maybe doing a Q&A at some point if that's something you'd be interested in. But especially this past year, I had just really gotten close with so many people from my church. It's become like a really big part of my life. And I would say I'm religious, but I'm not like crazy religious. And that's not even the part that's like most important to me. It's just I formed like so many really strong relationships with people from my church. I've definitely been doing a lot more with my friends from church and just trying to be more involved because it's really important to me. By the way, I also got this lip gloss at Walgreens yesterday. I spent way too much money yesterday. It's one of the NYX Butter Glosses, and it's in the shade Maple Blondie. It's just like this peachy pink kind of color because I wanted something a little more summery. Oh my gosh, I still have to straighten my hair. It's not even dry yet, but we're just gonna go for it anyways. Oh my god, my hair is getting so long. I had short hair for the longest time. Like, I cut it into a pixie cut in the beginning of 4th grade, and I had it short all the way until last summer, and then I started growing out this past year, and this is how long it is now. Crazy. Looking back at like old pictures of myself, I can't believe I ever had my hair like that. I liked it at the time. Okay, I'm just gonna leave my hair like this. It's not perfectly straight, but I'm too lazy to keep going. So that is my finished chit chat, get ready with me. Definitely let me know about any of the videos I mentioned possibly doing in this video. Let me know if you want to see them and also any other video ideas. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!